I'm gonna make 50 railroad spike knives. Got a whole bucket of railroad spikes. I think I'm gonna do either 5 or 10 at a time, and I don't know, see what we can do. All right, so I've decided to work in batches of 10 to start off with. It might be too much. I might back it off a little bit. I might add to it. I don't know, but I'm gonna go in batches of 10. So I'm gonna get the first 10, and I'm gonna hammer them out, get the blade in them, and do all 10 that way. After that, I'll put the twist in them, and then I'll put the little C curves in them, and so that's 3. Then the fourth step would be the heat treat process. There they are, 5 of them. I got 5 over here ready to be done, and 5 that I've got the bevels, the knife part, hammered out. I think I'm gonna do it in batches of 5 because, I mean, I've already gotten them in batches of 5, but that was a lot of work. Whew. All right, only 45 more to go. All right, that's gonna do it for this video with the 50 I'm doing. Oh boy, it's gonna be one heck of an undertaking, but it feels good. It feels good to have those first 5 done. I'll just take it in batches of 5, I guess, until I got 50 of them. If you want one, let me know, and I'm gonna have 50 of them before everything's said and done. So just leave me a comment, or if we're Facebook friends, just send me a message on Facebook, and let me know, and I'll get you one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already done it. Share this video with your friends. Share it with anybody you think might want one, a railroad spike knife, and I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate it. Bye. Just so you know, this is not the cool project I was talking about in one of my earlier videos. Neither is the anvil project the cool project. But I'm going to use one of the anvils that I'm making to do the cool project. Stay tuned. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to figure it out. Of course, if you don't figure it out by like the second or third video, then I'll tell you. But stay with me, because that project is going to be so cool. Oh, anyway, stay tuned. I appreciate it.